Soundcore by Anker has just launched its latest open-ear clip-on earbuds, the AeroClip, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of it. So we will have a look on its design, audio quality, battery life, smartphone application features, as well as a quick unboxing. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Soundcore AeroClip, you will find some quick start guide, user manuals, etc., some ear grips to use on your AeroClip earbuds, a USB Type-C cable, and the AeroClip earbuds inside the charging case. Now talking about the design and build quality, the very first thing you will notice is that how lightweight these earbuds are. It weighs just 5.9 grams and looks quite beautiful and premium because of the luxurious colors and the matte finished body. It is made of gentle material for breathable comfort, and because of the smaller chamber and 3D ergonomic design, it applies next to none pressure on your ears. It comes with the flexible open ring design that once again reduces the pressure on your ears and allows these earbuds to fit on different shape and sizes of ears. On the outer ring we got a tap area, and by tapping on it you can perform different commands on Soundcore AeroClip. It also comes with IPX4 splash resistance, so you do not need to worry about sweat, water splashes, or the light rain falling on your Soundcore AeroClip. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Soundcore AeroClip is pretty solid in every aspect, and this is the reason that it is the winner of IF Design Award 2025. Now talking about the audio quality, I was really impressed with the amount of bass I was getting while using the Soundcore AeroClip. It comes with custom 12mm titanium coated driver with dual magnetic units, along with the Soundcore's virtual bass technology that provide a very impressive overall audio quality with great amount of bass, considering this is an open ear clip-on design earbuds. You also get equally good mids and highs, so it does not matter what kind of music you are going to listen on Soundcore AeroClip, you will be happy with its audio quality for sure. The battery life of Soundcore AeroClip is also quite impressive, as you get nearly 8 hours of battery life with one single charge, and using the charging case you can charge it 3 more times, so you can get total 32 hours of battery life with one fully charged earbuds and the case. It also comes with fast battery charging, and with just 10 minutes of charging, you can get up to 3 hours of battery life. The only thing I'm missing here is that the case does not support wireless charging. You can perform double tap and triple tap on the tap area for both left and right earbuds, and they work perfectly every single time. The Soundcore AeroClip comes with 4 beamforming mics, a wind blocking mesh, along with Soundcore's advanced AI algorithm that provides very nice audio experience while making voice calls using the Soundcore AeroClip. The Soundcore smartphone application is a must-have tool for your Soundcore AeroClip, as it gives you the ability to perform various customization. Once you add the device into your Soundcore smartphone application, you will be able to check the battery status of each earbud as well as of the case. You can select between many different sound effects and equalizer presets, and if you want you can even go to the custom equalizer and create one of your own. Under the controls you get the option to select the type commands on each left and right earbuds, and you get plenty of options to select and perform on your Soundcore AeroClip. And if you do not want to use the tap commands on your device, then you can entirely turn them off as well right from the Soundcore application. Since Soundcore AeroClip comes with dual connection, you get the option to connect your Soundcore AeroClip with another device right from your Soundcore application. And if you want to find your earbuds, then you can go to find device section and you can press on left and right earbuds, and it will start playing some noise on your left or right earbud to let you know where exactly is your Soundcore AeroClip. If you go to the settings, you get the option to change the prompt tone for the low battery or the tap tone. It also comes with the option to auto power off your AeroClip after a specific time interval. You can select any of these or never power off depending on your preference, and you can even update the firmware of your Soundcore AeroClip right from your Soundcore smartphone application. So if you're planning to buy an open ear clip-on kind of earbuds for you, then the Soundcore AeroClip is one of the best options, as it is very lightweight, extremely comfortable. The audio output is great, especially the amount of bass. The battery life is quite impressive. It comes with fast charging, IPX4 water resistance, multi-point connection, along with 4 microphones for making voice calls. If you're interested, I have shared the link in the description of this video, using which you can buy the Soundcore AeroClip. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.